Every river holds a story, but today, the river chose Thanu. The air is warm, and the water sparkles like it's hiding a secret. Oh my god! Hey, boat, why are you shaking? Oh my, something's pulling me into the water. And down she went, into a world she never knew existed. I can breathe? This place is beautiful. I can even stand without moving?
Hello, Thanu. Don't be afraid. We are here for you.
You can talk?
Of course. Someone has to guide you.
Wow, this place is amazing. Could we explore? Little fish! It's a shark! Do something!
Hello there. It's my lucky day. More food.
Oh, little fish, what do we do now?
You don't know who I am? No one can save you from me now.
Stop! There's a blue whale behind you. Run!
Leave the girl alone. Don't you dare hurt it. Not until I give up, you white whale. Okay, I'm leaving. You are safe now. Just enjoy the leaf.
Thank you, blue whale. In the deep, courage sometimes comes in small packages. Whoa, that was so close. Now, let's enjoy the beauty of the deep ocean. It's so wonderful down here. Well, it's time to go home. Wow, what a time I had down there. Bye-bye, little fishy. You saved me. Ha ha ha. Silly you. That was an amazing experience. Even in storms, wonder finds a way. Every hero begins with a single brave breath.